Tire monitoring system came out. It says I need to add air. Most likely reason, I have a hole in my tire, or I have something in my tire. Let's fix this in like 5 minutes because it's about to pour rain. It's been holding air all day, so it probably has a screw in it because it's leaking slowly. So what we're gonna need, patch, rubber cement, something to inflate the tire back up, something to take out the screw that's in there, and something to put the patch in. I use screw patches whenever there's nail because it's a lot more efficient and it's a lot faster. And I also don't have to jack up the car. Let's go. Safety first. Always put your brake on. You don't want things going in the eye. I guess I'm jacking up the car. I hear a hole, but don't see it. Car's off the ground. No jack stand required because we're not getting under the car. Now we rotate the tire. There's a hole. That's what punched it. That's what's leaking. Now we go and make sure we turn the wheel to get this outside, and we can put the car back down on the ground and rotate the tire, position the patch properly, and then you can lower the jack. We got lucky, the head is still intact. I can use a socket. This is 8mm because the new guy forgot every bolt is supposed to be a 10mm. It's almost out. We know the larger one of these screws is going to be the one that fits, and I just dropped it. That's why they come in packs of 50. We're going to take the larger patch screw without dropping it this time, and we're going to cover it in rubber cement. Now we have the front stem. Take this out, put rubber cement on it, then put the bolt in before the tire completely goes flat or shoots something out at you. Screws in the right place. Now you push firmly and screw it in to make sure it strips off the screw and seals the hole. And for the final step, we paint over the top of the screw. Make sure there's no bubbles. Rubber cement doesn't bubble up. We're good. And take this opportunity while the compressor is running to leave before you air your tires up to put all your tools back except for your 10mm because you need to buy a new one the next time you use it anyway. Now inflate this and all your other tires to the correct pressure because you're already inflating one, you might as well. And look, warning sign is gone. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.